You don't need to install any software to convert your Word documents into PDFs anymore. With this free online tool, you can convert DOC and DOCX files into high-quality PDFs directly from your browser. To get started, open any browser and search for freeconvert.com. Open the website and you'll notice that it's very user-friendly, and the best part is that you can use it without creating an account or logging in. Now, click on the Choose Files button. Next, select From Device and upload the Word document you want to convert. The tool supports both DOC and DOCX formats, along with many other document types. Once your file is uploaded, you'll see the Output option. From here, choose the format you want to convert your file into. Since we're converting a Word document, simply select PDF as the output format. If you want more control over the final PDF, click on the Settings icon. Here you can customize options like page size, page margins, image quality, alignment, orientation, and several other export settings. If you don't need any custom settings, you can leave everything as it is because the default settings work perfectly for most documents. Now click on the Convert button. The tool will start processing your file and convert it into a high-quality PDF, while preserving the original text, fonts, images, tables, spacing, and document layout. The conversion usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's complete, you'll see the Download button. Simply click on Download to save your new PDF file directly to your device. You can open it immediately to verify that everything has been converted correctly. This method is perfect for converting resumes, assignments, business reports, invoices, contracts, project files, and other important documents without installing Microsoft Office or Adobe Acrobat. Since everything works online, you can convert your files from almost any device, including Windows PCs, Macs, Android phones, iPhones, and tablets. It's one of the fastest, easiest, and completely free ways to convert Word documents into professional PDF files in just a few clicks.